Welcome to my channel. My name is Renee, and today we have the Digimon Summer Limited Edition box. I got this because I wanted all of the awesome keychains, and I couldn't find anywhere that was selling me box set. However, this one apparently comes with an awesome tin, an exclusive keychain, blah, and everybody else you could possibly want. Yay! The box is absolutely adorable, with decent pictures of all of them. So I don't want to open this side. I'm going to open this bottom side. Open it up, and oh, oh, there's just a spacer in the top of the box, I think. Pull it out. Yep, just a spacer. So I'm going to start with the box. It's really actually well packaged. Lots and lots of packaging. Nice. So, full color little tin box with a whole bunch of different pictures from the first Digimon adventure. Oh, look, Wizardmon! Yay! It's completely empty on the inside. It's a very nice box. Maybe 3 inches across. Awesome. And you get a little bundle with more bubble wrap, which my kitty's going to adore. And it's a little bubble wrap bag with more cellophane. Lots of tape. Oh, everybody's individually wrapped too. Awesome. And you get all 9 key sets. They're more like zipper pulls and key rings. I'm trying to open Agumon here. There we go. Lots and lots of packaging. So first up, you get Agumon with Ty's goggles. And everybody comes with this little Digimon logo, the egg with the DM in it. So the DM's on the back of all of these as well. It's a nice metal, and it's a really nice enamel for the color, and then they enameled over top of it, so it's really hard to scratch, which is really nice. So as far as I could tell, each Digimon, here's Gabumon, comes with an item that represents their chosen child. So we have Matt's harmonica. They'll have these little... Ah! I'm being attacked by the kitty. Oh no. Oh no. Sorry. My display is moving because there's a kitty coming around the corner. Do you want to say hi, Spooky? After you've knocked everything over, come here. There. Look, see? This is what I'm doing. This is Spooky. He's decided to be a little bum. Come here. No. Here you go. Buddy, you gonna help? You can't knock over the back, okay? That's the camera. Yes, buddy. Yes, buddy. Yes, this is Spooky. And that was my light. And he's trying to... Spooky, you can't do that, buddy. Come on. You want to help, you can look. Yes, this is the Gabumon. And the Spooky. Okay, buddy, you gotta lay down. In my house, this is called being loved to death. So we have Tintamon with Izzy's computer. The colors on these are very, very vibrant. I can say vibrant. Woot. And then we have Biomon with Sora's hat helmet thing. I really do love the pose for this one. Oh, that was a big sneeze there, Spooky. Now, they didn't add 2 of the chosen children from 02 in here. They only added everybody who actually has a crest. And say goodbye to Spooky. Or he's just going to sit there and put his tail in the air. Because they're cats. They do whatever they like. Here's Palmon with Mimi's very large pink cowboy hat. Goodbye, Spooky. Looks like she's trying to whisper you a secret. It's kind of adorable. We have one awesome Gomamon. And it looks like that's the Doctor headband or something. I'm not exactly sure what he's got there for Joe. Oh, Joe's bag. Right, that's the bag. This is one of my favorite adorable ones. And we have, oh geez, his name has slipped my mind. Patamon with TK's hat helmet thing. I really couldn't tell. They were really, really staticky and didn't move very much. I still retain this one's a helmet and this one's a hat. He's got this really cute, bashful face. And next we have Gatomon with Kari's whistle. The purple on this one's a bit paler than Gatomon actually is. We got actual picture. There we go. It's a bit paler, but, you know, they're pastel-y and adorable. And now we're into the ones that are not the 8 chosen children from the first season. We have Vimon with Davis's soccer ball. Adorable. But as far as I can tell, Ken and Davis, or Daisuke, whichever you call him, are the only chosen children from 02 who are new who got crests. Now we have Wormmon with, it looks like a bone, maybe? Not exactly sure. This would have been adorable with, like, Kaiser goggles. I'm sorry. And then, last but not least, we have the final one, which is Coromon with Boom Bubbles. This is the exclusive that you only get with the summer box. So, that is everything we got in the box. My favorite, I have two, are these two. Gatomon and Vmon are my jam. But Daisuke is my favorite Digidestin, which some of my friends were confused at, but yes, he is. So, like this video if you like it, subscribe if you'd like to see more awesome videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time!